Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that sin x divided by cosine x, we will have about tan x. Cosine x squared in here, we change into secant of x squared. And we have e to the power of tan x squared. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to tan x squared. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have the u equal to 2 tan x secant of x squared dx. Next, we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. Tan x secant of x squared dx we change by du over number 2. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of u and we put about c. About u, that's about tan x squared. And we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.